Morning, my dear friends. Today, we will discuss about difference between microprocessor and microcontroller. Earlier, we have studied about microprocessor 8086 to 8085. Basic differences. This can be asked in SL. Okay. Microprocessor is an electric microprocessor. Microprocessor are two types: 8085, 8086. 8085 means liquid, whereas 8086 means system. It is a heart of computer system. Okay. In this, limited registers are being used, like DC, DE, etc. These are by comparing DC, we can call register here also DC, DE. As a less number of registers, so that program size is high. Okay. In this, frequency ranges from kilohertz to megahertz. Okay. It is used to perform unspecified task, but the task has not been completed, like video games, website. Okay. These are mainly unspecified tasks. 8085 cost is 0. Okay. In this, memory and input output are connected externally. Okay. Entire microprocessor provided RAM, ROM, serial input output. Another one is timer. They will be connected externally. Okay. Another one is microcontroller. Nothing but it is also a microcontroller. It is used to perform specific tasks. Nothing but task has been completed. Nothing but the printer. Another one is washing machine. Again, it has unlimited resources. This R0 to R1 unlimited resources. The microcontroller having three bands: band 0 to band 2. Each is elected by nothing but 32 registers. So the programming will get easy to write a program in microcontroller. Basically, in this microcontroller, entire components are calculated on a single. These are all connected in one box. Whereas earlier we have to connect all these things externally in microprocessor. But then this entire components are calculated in single. Again, 8051. Here the CC is 8089C. What is the series was other one is always omega is top frequency, D means massive, whereas the C means commercial. Microprocessor or microcontroller both are used in real-time. Traditionally, microcontroller having over 70. In microprocessor, they are having that does not have power signal, whereas microcontroller having power signal. What is the architecture for 8085? As well, architecture are being classified into two types. First one is hardware, other one is instant. Hardware means nothing but is having similar space for memory and programming as well as data, whereas is similar for memory space programming again, architecture means earlier it was designed using NMOS technology. Later they evaluated using NMOS means the power consumption is very high, whereas CMOS means the power consumption is very high. This is the basic difference of architecture. Next one. Architecture, we are having maybe complex perspectives, but we use it for external memory access. DPTR are being classified into two types, DPH, other one is DPH. It is a 16-bit. Again, DPH is an 8-bit, but they recommend hierarchy like detail is raw right. Other one quantity is standpoint, but it is used to perform master first operation. This we are having two commands. One is push, another one is pop. Push means it is used to implement the standpoint effective. Pop means it is used to implement the standpoint. Next one, program counter. But whenever microcontroller executes in this lesson, it is used to implement the other one is without accumulator, the microcontroller cannot perform any operation. Why means entire microcontroller, the registers are used to perform over here. The performance perform, the instructions are being used in accumulator, the results are also stored in the accumulator. Another one is used. There is a register which is used to perform multiplication as an multiplication division, whereas it's 8051 have multiplication and division comments directly, so that by using special function register key they can use to perform. Okay. Another one is registers. Registers is used to store data temporarily during the execution of the program. Nothing but are not crossed with the registers. Another one is memory. What is memory? It is nothing but it is used to store data information temporarily during the execution of the program. Nothing but memories are of data memory, program. Data memory means something RAM, program memory means okay. Another one is buses. Buses means but having a group of words. Nothing but it is used to 8-bit bytes. It is used to acts as a single channel between microcontroller or other stakeholders. It is used to simply transfer data from one place to another. Okay. In this we are having two types of buses: address bus, data bus, control bus. What is an address bus? Nothing but it is a unidirectional. It is an 8-bit data. Another one is bidirectional. Nothing but it can be transferred both microbus to the paper or microcontroller to paper. Again, address bus are being extended in 8051 nothing but 16-bit. Another one is control bus, nothing but control flow of data, microcontroller. Another one is oscillator. What is meant by oscillator? Without applying many inputs, it generate AC output wave. That is known as oscillator. What we have studied in earlier. By this, we are used to generate a clock frequency up to 4 MHz. Pin number 18 and pin number 19 are being used to generate the clock frequency up to 12 MHz. It is supported by 32 kHz. In this, we are by designing we are using a resistor to generate an oscillator frequency. Okay. Another one famous is in 8051 we are having ports. What are the ports? Nothing but we used to we are having 32 input output ports. Nothing but each bit is 4 bit port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3. Again these registers are being addresses are 18, 19, 0, 0. Again port 0 is an 8-bit byte. Nothing but address ranges from port 0.7 to port 0.0. Nothing but port 0.0 means 80, port 0.7 means 80. Okay. Another one is flags. Nothing but is the value. In this we are having 4 conditional flags in 8051. Nothing but there are Port 0, multimeter address is is a AD register, but AD is 0.0 this again we are having external flow resistors whereas the port 1, 2, 3 having internal flow resistors. We need not do that resistors. Okay. It can be set using simple command comma as F means nothing but 15 minutes. What means 15? Nothing but we have to add something 0. In order that we are using 4 XRS commands. So that we have to add something 0. Nothing but 1. Port 1, 0 comma. Nothing but port can be set. The port 0 can be set like that. We can posting add as something. It can be set or by and it can be cleared. Set means the command registers, clear means clear. Another one is what it means PSW. Program status code. But these flags are these flags are it means priority flag. If given priority, flag will be set for our priority, the flag will be reset. Another one is basic, but auxiliary character. But it can be when the D3 bit is transferred to D4 in any operation or basic operations. The auxiliary character will be set and the basic will be set. The result is out of range, then the output flag will be set, otherwise it will be reset. Another important is RS0, RS1. Nothing but bit selections for resistors. Nothing but by taking 0, 0, the rank 0 can be set. Nothing but it is an 8-bit register, nothing but it address ranges from 0, 0 to 2. Like the rank 1, rank 2, rank 3 are there. Each having individual range, 8-bit, nothing but 0, 8 to 0. Another one is 1, 0 to 1, 7. Another one is 1, 8 to 1. And these are bit selections. Another important is C1 already you studied in 086 and direct. If the result is time, direct flag will be set, otherwise if there is no time, direct flag will be reset. Just performing simple operation adding 9C6 means 1 0 0 1 C means 1 1 0 whereas 6 means 0 1 1 0 4 means 0 1 0. Simply adding these two binary bits, you can each flag will be set to operation in a single record. 2 plus 0 equals 1 plus 1 0 the carry 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 1 plus 1 0 the carry. This carry flag will come because the carry having we are having the performing to its additions we are having the carry flag will be 1 so that the carry flag will be set. In this B3 bit is transferred to D4 so that the auxiliary carry also set. So the carry flag will be 0. No. Given priority, the flag will be set, otherwise it will be reset. The flag will be set. Another important example is in this the flags. After completion of the flags, we are having the types. What are the types of microphone? Types of microphone. 4-bit, 8-bit, 16-bit, 4-bit, 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit. And if I perform in this 4-bit, we are having 4-bit area. Same similarly, 16-bit area. Okay, in this camera size is 3, 4, 5, 1. In this camera size is 8, 0, 7. In this camera size is 8, 0, 6. In this camera size is 8, 0, 7, and all are similar, but LED or LCD. They are limited resistors, 24 into 4, so that it can be used in DRS. Other frameworks is 55% has been stored and implemented. Nothing but 8-bit microcontroller. Another one is 8009, which is used to support C features. Another one is 32-bit, mainly used in industry servers. Another important topic, we knew that while writing a program in 8051, we are mainly required tools. What are the tools are there in order to execute 8051? First one is editor. Nothing, another one is assembler. Another one is another one is what is an editor? Editor means it is used to simply write the program. It is used to edit the to write any program writing as .asm, nothing but assembler. The assembly language. While performing operations in C, nothing but using embedded anti-loss, the editor process. Another one is assembler. It is used to convert the entire language into binary. Nothing but it is used to create a file and text code will be generated by using assembler. Another one is compiler. Compiler means it is a dynamic language. It is used to support reading, writing, idea or commands. The program can be executed over here. Another one is debugger. Debuggers are of two types. First one is static. Another one is dynamic. Static means you can simply check the errors by using pencil. Having only limited registers, but 100 instances can be checked with static. And dynamic 100 to 1000. Why means dynamic we are having a breakpoint. Why the breakpoint are we using? The breakpoint we are using is it is used to stop at one, check whether the instructions are correct. Other breakpoint left, then it is used to check there. Another breakpoint will come. This is the idea. What period of your entire 8051 IC means it is used to support 128 bytes, 4 kilobytes, 32 input output flows. Again, having 5 interrupts, nothing but 2 external sources, T0, T1, T1, 2 timers, T0, T1, 1 serial. This is the 8051 again classified as 128 bytes RAM, 4 kilobytes ROM, 32 input output ports, 2 external interrupts INT0 and T1, internal T0, T1, and the one is 0. In this 8051, we are having a mainly concept of interrupts. Mainly concept of interrupt. What is an interrupt? Interrupt means whenever microprocessor or microcontroller, whenever you use the interrupt happens. And main program is running what we have from starting what we have it is used to all by using all this generated by using example, when you are studying in a room, brain are outside, you walk over here in your room and meditation on your room. After combining to your original read, this is the example of another one is in pin diagram.
Another important question is pin diagram of 805. Okay, it is a pin diagram. I am not drawing all the pins. I am simply telling that 1 to 20, another one is 20 to 40. In this, ports are been taken, port 0 to port 3. The port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3. You simply write port 1, 1.0 to port 1.8. Again 8 pins. 9th pin means it acts as a reset. Again port 3.02 and the 10th to 19, port 3.7. Again port port 2.0 నుంచి పోర్ట్ 2.7 అంటే 28. అగైన్ ఈ 3 pins are differ, ESCN, EA, another one is ALE. Again port 0.7 to port 0.0. 40 means VCC. Okay, these pins are different. 20 means ground. 1 and 20 pin ground. Okay, these are the basic pins that may be different pin diagram of 805. Again, it is an 3 type of packages we are using in this. It is a 40 pin dip terminal. It requires plus 5 volts to conduct. Okay, this entire 9th pin will act as a reset. Nothing but the entire microcontroller can be reset to 0. Reset pins. Okay, port 3.0 to port 3.7 means it can be accessed as external initiated pins. Nothing but it can be operated like port 3.0, port 3.1. It simply acts as T0, T1. Port 3.2 and 3.1 nothing but RXD, TXD. Another one is INT0, INT1. Another one is T0, T1. Another one is last read bar, write bar. One pin is different from the other. You simply see that port 3.0 to 3.7. 3.0, these 2 pins are acted as it is used for receive or it is used for transfer data in serial port. Whereas these two act as external interrupt sources. T0, T1 acts as internal interrupt sources. Again, read bar, it is used to read the data from the microcontroller, whereas write bar, it is used to write the data into the microcontroller. These are the basic differences between external initiated pins of port 3.0 to port 3.1. Okay, again, another pin important is ALE. Nothing but address latch enable. It is used to generate positive going pulses. Whenever microcontroller is execute exen instruction, it is used to generate positive going pulses. It can be set to 0 or it can be set to 1. While setting 0, it can be activated data. While setting 1, it can be activated address. Data will be activated in the first line and address will be activated in the second line. This is the address latch enable pin. Okay. Next one is EA. EA means famous pin. It is an external access enable pin. What it will do? It simply EA can be like 0, EA can be 0 or 1. Nothing but it cannot be left unconnected. Nothing but EA can be VCC or ground. It cannot be left unconnected. Another one is PSEN, nothing but program store enable pin. It is used to store code into the 8051. Okay. Okay. Another one is 40 means VCC, nothing but plus 5 volts. Okay. Okay. In this, the ports can be set or reset. How can it can be set or reset? It can be set or reset. It can be act as an input or output port. Okay. It address ranges from 00 to FF. You simply transfer move A comma #FF. Okay, #FFH, which means hexadecimal. In this 16-bit bin has been taken. Again, it can be set port 0 comma A. Again, the set value is transferred to port 0 and it can be set. Like this, you can write the 4 commands like, by simply changing port 0 as port 1, port 2, port 3. Okay, this is known as I think I covered. This is known as pin diagram of 8051. It is main three packages means nothing but QSP, quad flap package. Another one is DIP, dual in package. Another one is LLC, leadless carrier package. These 3 top famous packages for 8051 package. Okay, next one. Next go for instruction set. This is a compulsory question for 8051. Okay, what is meant by instruction set? Nothing but instruction means what you are doing, what you are performing operation in 8051. The instructions are nothing but it is also classified into 5 types. Again, it can be divided into 3 parts. Nothing but 1 byte instruction, 2 byte instruction, 3 byte instruction. By seeing the instruction, we can tell that it is a 1 byte or 2 byte or 3 byte instructions. Again, 2 power 8, nothing but 256 possibilities are there. In microcontroller, it is using only 255 out of 256. One register have been let off. Okay, first one is data transfer instruction. By seeing the instruction name itself, we can tell that it can be transfer data from one place to another. Okay, you simply write the instruction as move a comma rn, move a comma hash direct, move a comma @rn. These three instructions are being taken throughout the instruction set by simply telling that move a comma rn ante nothing but it is used to transfer data from register to accumulator. Another one is it is used to transfer from direct to accumulator. Another one is it is used to transfer @or not under register in. By seeing the instruction itself, we can tell that move a comma rn nothing but register addressing mode, nothing but direct addressing mode. Another one is register indirect addressing mode. This is the data transfer instructions. In data transfer instructions, it is used to cover MUX or MUC. Another one is exchange D command. Okay, this been covered in data transfer instruction. Another one is logic means data transfer. After data transfer, we are having famous arithmetic instructions. Arithmetic instructions means when in this we are used to perform ALU operations, arithmetic and logical. Again, we can write ADD DST comma source. Nothing but it is a mnemonic, mnemonic with instruction. We simply write that source plus destination can be added and the result is stored in destination. Nothing but ADD DST comma source అంటే source plus destination యాడ్ అయ్యి మళ్ళీ దేంట్లో స్టోర్ అవుతుందండి డెస్టినేషన్. ఓకే, అగైన్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ డేటా ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ ఓన్లీ. ADD a comma rn, again a comma hash direct, again a comma direct. These three instructions are enough. You simply write that rn plus accumulator both are added and the result is stored in accumulator. Again, you can write that a plus hash data direct are been stored in accumulator. A comma data, you write that a comma hash data or a comma direct. Nothing but a tends to a plus direct. And direct plus accumulator are been added and the result is stored in accumulator. This is known as data addressing, direct addressing. Another one is register addressing mode, hash itself immediate addressing mode, direct itself direct addressing mode. Okay, these are addressing mode. Nothing but by using in this we are having commands known as SUBB. Nothing but the instruction, again the above instructions can be write by using SUBB command. Nothing but subtraction with bar. Last one, another instruction is logical instructions. Logical instructions means it is used to perform logical operations. Nothing but ANL, XRL, ORL. Nothing but ANL means end operation, XRL means XOR operation, ORL means OR operation, OR operation. Okay, by simply writing the above equation, I am writing that ALL instruction means ALL, ANL, A comma RN. It is used to perform A and end with RN and the result is stored in accumulator. This is the basic instruction. Last one is bit oriented. We can call it as bit manipulation instructions also in 8051. Again, bit oriented means you see simply having a command is CLR, nothing but clear C, clear bit. Alage set B, C bit or B bit. These two are commands. Another one is CPLA, nothing but complement accumulator. These are bit oriented instructions. In bit oriented instructions, we are having ANL, ORL also, like C comma bit. Nothing but it is used to perform C end with bit operation. Again, the result is stored in C bit. Okay, these are known as bit oriented instructions. Next, we go for program branch. Another one is like with the branch instructions. Branch instructions means we are having A call, L call. Another one is return one, return one. Instructions. In this we are having CLR, set B. Another one is CPL. Another one is ANL, ORL also there in bit manipulation. It can be using two commands, as one is each, another one is bit. Nothing but the C can be clear 0. The bit can be clear only here. CLR means again C can be set to 1, bit can be set to 1. This is known as set, another one is clear. Another one is CPL A, nothing but the A will be complemented. Okay. Another one is ANL C comma bit. It is used again, the result is stored in C, in between C and D, and operation will be performed. It is bit oriented instruction. Another one is A call, nothing but absolute subroutine. Okay. It is used to increment by press 2. Again, it is used to store in stack pointer. It is an address 11. Another one is L call, nothing but long subroutine. Nothing but its program counter is increment by 2. It is used in stack pointer. Another one is it is return from subroutine or return from interrupt. Again, in this we are using so many instructions like DJ, NJ, CJ, and E. These two are main instructions in 8051. Nothing but in this used to perform jump instructions as well as decrement or compare. Nothing but decrement jump with 0 or compare with jump or not equal. These are the instruction set of 8051. Another one is 8051 memory organization. 8051 memory organizations are classified in mainly 3 types: program memory, data memory. In this program memory, it is used to store the code, that is used to store data temporarily. Whereas data memory, it is used to store data, that is nothing but permanent. Nothing but it acts as a RAM or ROM, both program or data memory. And this we are having 2 types. First one is internal data memory, another one is external data memory. In this program memory, the external access can be 0 or 1. For selecting 0, only 64 kilobytes of external RAM will be activated. While selecting 64 kilobytes for external 4K will be added if EA is equal to 1. Internal memory are 256. It's been divided into 2 parts, 128 SFR, another one is 128. First 128 means indirectly addressable. Upper 128 both directly as well as indirectly addressable. Again, in this having special functions registers bank 0 to bank 1 or bank 0 to bank 3. Next one is external. External means it can be called as X data or P data. Internal can be called as I data, B data or data.